Welcome to Monkey Doodle, friends. It's been a while, but today we're going to do a quick draw based on a silly Apple character. So here we go. Let's go from the bottom to the top with a big curvy C. Let's bring it back up and down and tuck it in a little bit and then come back into the point. Now we're going to put a stem that sticks out this way. We're going to put a silly face on this guy. We're going to do one big oval eye here, one smaller one next to it. We'll do a cartoon curvy eye with a V in there. Same thing here with a V, and then color that in real quick. Give it that nice cartoon look. Okay. Big smile for this dude. Buck teeth because he's silly. Little curve there. Now we're going to put a hat on this guy because again, we do silly things on the Monkey Doodle channel. Here we go. And I don't know, this is an apple, but maybe he's doing some kind of dance move or something. Put a couple of loops here. Smaller as you go down, curve. Okay. And we're going to put his hand on his hip. Maybe he thinks he's a big shot, big apple. Line on the side. And we're going to kind of do a little curve over here. And maybe this guy is so wacky, he's rollerblading. One leg up, short line down, guys. And how about some skates with wheels? 4 circles for wheels. A little circle inside of it. You do little X's to show like shoelaces, alright? And this leg will go out, pushing back. Make the line a little thicker by doubling it up. And again, a nice oval. 4 circles with circles inside of them. It's like a little pattern going on. Little loop. And you got yourself a roller skating crazy wacky apple. We can put some action lines here too. Alright. And get ready to hyper speed color with me. Great job, guys.